Hey, sixth grade, I just want to go over what it is that we're going to be doing today, Friday, October 23rd. So I'm in Schoology right now, and I am looking at the Friday folder, and based on what I said in the update, there are some tasks we have ahead of us. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the agenda, and I have to open it a little larger to see what it is that we're going to be doing. The first task is to do an Edpuzzle on Mesopotamia. You are to watch it and answer the questions. And remember, if you are not sure about an answer, you can always use that rewind button to go back and listen again to find out what it was that maybe you missed. So do your best on your Edpuzzle. The second task we have is, in case you didn't get to it yet this week, you need to make sure that you have completed your current event. There's a discussion board where you are going to be writing down what it was that you looked into and how you felt about it. And I'll go over that in just a minute. And then, of course, you are to do your grade check. That means go through Safari to look at your Schoology grades and see if you're missing anything in social studies and perhaps other things as well. Make sure you get those things in if you have anything missing and message me. All right, I'm going to get back out of this. Put this over here to do that. And I'm going to go back into the folder. And so, of course, task 1 is this Mesopotamia Edpuzzle. And my view is going to look different than yours. But when you do start to play it, there is a little rewind button, I think, somewhere down on the bottom if you feel like you need to rewind just to answer the question you're on. There's your first task. The second task, of course, is the current event discussion board. I'm going to go into this for just a second. Make sure you understand what to do. So if you have not already done this, that means if you've done it, you don't have to do a second one. If you have not yet done this, you are to go into the current events folder to look at some of our sources. Choose a news source you'd like to watch or read. Pick a current event and then watch it, read it, learn about it. And then in the discussion board, which is in that folder, you're going to write a short summary of the event, sharing your thoughts, feelings, or opinions, and write one question you have about that event. Then feel free to look at the posts of some classmates and respectfully respond to some of their things. So I'm going to go to that folder right now. I guess I'm going to go to materials. I'm in my materials section over here to get there. And I can see it's right below Friday, October 3rd. There's our current events folder. Here's the discussion board where I'm going to post my information, but I might choose to look at what is going on in the news through CNN 10. This is this was yesterday's. This is Thursday, October 22nd. If you choose to do something other than that, you could look at Dogo News, find an article, learn a little bit about the historic landing on the asteroid Bennu, get some information about that and report back to us. Lots of different places you can find your information. Then go into this current event discussion board. And I have first hour pulled up here, but your hour will show up. And go ahead and put down what the article was and information right here in the post. Okay, I'm going to go back into today's folder, Friday folder. And the last task you have today is to do your social studies grade check. It's important to go through Safari because that's where, if you click grades, you can click on any hyperlinked assignment. Look for those orange hexagons. Those are the missing assignments. Click on the hyperlink to see what it is that you might be, what the assignment is that you're missing, and what you need to do. If you need to check the rubric for the project, it's listed there as well. Now, if you've done all these things and you're still looking for more to do, we have some additional things available to you. One is this Win the White House game, which Miss Frisbee found the other day. If you click on it, She tried to go in. She had some good luck getting in with her iPad, but some other kids had some trouble getting in through self-service. If you are able to install it, try it through that. But if you can't, then please click on this link, Win the White House Game, and it'll bring you. It takes a few moments to load, but then you can do this different activity. It takes you through the process of possibly becoming the president. I'm going to X out of that and just make sure that I've covered it all. There are a couple of other things you could do if you are interested. There's a news article about the Electoral College. Some people favor it, some people are against it. There's a video attached right here within explaining where the Electoral College stems from, how the Founding Fathers believed it would help, and you can form your own opinions as to what you think we should, if we should keep it or if it should be changed with the times. All right, I'm going to X out of that. We've come to the end of this list. So have a great weekend. Make sure you get at least tasks 1, 2, and 3 done. And I look forward to, if you have any questions, please message me. And I look forward to seeing you back at school.